Greetings, dear viewers. Today we are going to take a look at LightX Editor, a versatile online photo and video editor with artificial intelligence support. LightX provides a variety of tools for editing images and videos. These include removing backgrounds with AI, creating avatars, enhancing portraits, and applying artistic filters. For example, the AI product photoshoot feature allows you to automatically generate and modify backgrounds for product photos, which is especially useful for online stores. For video editing, LightX offers tools for trimming, adding text, music, stickers, and various effects, making it easy to create high-quality videos. The platform also includes many predefined templates for marketing, social media, and other purposes that can be easily customized to suit your needs. As for pricing, LightX offers free access to basic features. For advanced functionality, a pro subscription is available, monthly for $5.99, annual for $3.33 per month. You can also purchase AI credits for $4.99. LightX Pros, intuitive interface suitable for beginners and professionals. Wide range of features for photo, video, and graphic design editing. Use of AI to simplify the editing process and improve the quality of results. Minuses of LightX. Some features are only available in the Pro version, which may incur additional costs. The accuracy of AI tools can vary depending on the complexity of the task. In conclusion, LightXEditor.com is a powerful and user-friendly AI-enabled photo and video editing tool. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for your creative projects, we recommend you to take a look at this platform. Thank you for watching. If the review was useful, please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. See you soon!